This glass has a little chip on it, and it's right there. See how it's uneven on this side, this part right here. It's a little tiny chip. I didn't want to throw it out because I like this glass. There's actually 5 more of these, and for this little tiny chip there, I still wanted to use it. I'm able to use it once I fix it. It's very tiny, but it's enough to cut someone's lips, and if you touch it, I'm sure one will get a cut from it. So here's my sandpaper, my favorite sandpaper. It's a fine one. I'm just gonna sand it like this. I'm doing it over the sink just so I can wash all the particles after in the sink. So probably thicker gloves might be better since I'm working with glass here. It won't look that nice, I'm sure, but at least I can still use it. And while I'm sanding this, I want to make sure everything's rounded off. I didn't want any sharp edges. I'm gonna fold it in half like this, and there's like a little, where the chip is, it's like a shape like a V. So I'm gonna use this folded part and go in there and sand that area there to make it smoother. So I've been sanding this for about 2 minutes now. And the inside of the glass too might be sharp, so I'm gonna sand that too. Okay, so it actually looks really uneven, but you know what? It's okay. At least it's usable. And then I'm gonna fold it this way and sand it like this. I think the sink is the best place to do this because it's glass particles. You don't want that anywhere else but the sink. Is the easiest way to clean it with water. Just wash it off. And if you have like a little crack there, I think you should just throw it out. But in this case, it was just a little chip on the very top of this. So I'm able to do this. And so it's been now, let's see, 5 minutes since I've been sanding it. I think it's okay now. And after you use the sandpaper, like a small piece like this, it's best just to throw it out because you have some glass particles maybe in there. So just throw it away. And now I'll just wash it. Wipe off the surrounding area. Okay, so it's obvious where the chip was because it's there's some scratches here from the sandpaper. It's not as clear anymore, but I don't care about that. I just care about using it again. So there's, you can tell that that's where the chip was. So I'm gonna carefully feel it with my finger to see if it's smooth. And it is smooth. You can tell if it's sharp. With this, in this case, it's smooth on top here. You can see it. There are no sharp edges. And it's usable again.